Hello, good morning friends. I hope you are well and today we are going to do a debate and we have two teams. You can see one team and second team and he's a captain and she's a captain. A debate between the girl and versus boys and one side girl is captain, second side boy. And today I have given the topic time versus money. So today in this video we will tell you how can we do a debate on time versus money. So you will enjoy this video. If you like any team, so you can do the comments and you can write which player spoke very nice, and today they will mention the name also before playing. And today definitely you will learn something in this video, and through this video you will build up your confidence, you can get knowledge also. So now we should start. Please stand up.
So good morning, guys.
Good morning.
As we are debating the time versus money, so we got a topic about the time. So I would like to compare that why the time is so important for us. As we know that discrimination, money is making a discrimination between the people, but time is not making a discrimination between the people. As you all know very well, rich and poor, how it is making cost of the money. But in time, everybody are having a 24-hour in every day. It is not making any kind of discrimination between the anyone. But as you know that if you are living in the earth, you don't need to the money more. As the people who are living in the road, he's also living, he's also taking a food. It does not need that he's having a time by which he's living in the earth. Right? As you know that for reaching somewhere, we need a time to reach. Because people are taking a time that they are living on there, but on the situation, if you have too much money, people are having some kind of ego, some kind of that kind of problem, which other people are snatching, people are killing to them. So that's a major discrimination between the time versus money.
Okay, first of all, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Hopefully you and your family is doing good. So we both team together here for playing this debate game, and by the game we can put our views and put our thought in front of everyone. And I am supporting that why money is important than the time. I know time is also important, but for completing this, we want money. First step is learning, because if you will learn, then you can earn. We all are coming here for the learning because we want to earn something in our future. And for doing any kind of the work, we need money. Whenever we go somewhere, whenever we go in a market or in any place, we need money for purchasing this. So money is our basic need. We all are doing job for earning money because we cannot earn anything because of the time. We gave the time, then we earn money. I'm talking about the labor person who gave their 24 hours for the laboring, for their doing their hard work just because they want some money for their earning something for.
Good morning.
So I hope you all are well. So we are favoring the time. So I want to tell you that the time is the world's precious thing. If you have time and if you are giving time to someone, so definitely you are giving them a best gift of their life. If someone is in depression, so if you are giving them time and you are making them happy, so that's a good thing which you are giving them. And if I talk about the money, so if someone is in the depression, so money can't help him, and the time can help him because you are giving them time and you are making them happy. So that's why time is very precious thing of the world.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
I agree somewhere the time is important, but the money is as well more important because of time. The time is here because in an ancient time that there is a lot of time the people had, but nowadays the people require only money. Because of money, they can achieve lot of things in a short while. Suppose that you have to go somewhere and you have to reach by a day, by the end of the day, but you can't, because of money you can't reach over there. If you have a money, you can take a flight and you can reach there very quickly and you can save your time. So nowadays the rich is richest because of their money. They have a money power, that's why they are saving their time and they are getting more and more money. And because the poor people have no money, that's why they have a time to expand in a low rated work and low rated here and there. So that's why the money is more important by the time in a nowadays. That before days time is more important, but nowadays the money is more important. That's why people are running behind the money. But why the people running behind the money? Because they want to develop themselves. They want to give lot of supports to their family. They want to leisure life. So that's why the money is more important, according to me. That's it.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
So I am speaking in favor of time.
Yeah.
Just as I said, money is more.
Okay, Salih, speak loudly.
Money is more important. If we want to go somewhere, we need money, not time. But I would say that if you have time, You can travel with less money also. Like you can take train instead of aeroplanes, yeah, flights. So money is not the only important thing you need nowadays. If you want to spend some quality time, want to make your relationships stronger and healthier, you need time, not money.
So good
Your turn.
morning to all. I'm favor of money. So if we talk, you said that if we can go everywhere if we have time. But if you don't have money, so how can you go anywhere? Without money, we can't travel anywhere. When we go anywhere, we need food. We need money. And we need money to take any transport. So on that time, we need money. We don't need time. So if we talk about hospital, if we have money, so on that time we can get treatment properly. If you don't have money, so you have to go in government hospital. You know that they take too much time. They don't give you proper treatment. So it totally depends on money, not on time. So and if you go in education sector, so on that time you should also have a money. Without money, you can't do your proper study because you have time, lots of year you do your study, but without money you can't such your dream, you can't do proper education.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Vivek.
So, let me start out my topics. Time.
Yeah.
So it's important mention here that time is very important because money is not then time because of importance of the time. If we have time, so we can collect more money very easily in our life and our careers. And other side, there is this saying I think that you have also known about this saying that you came without money, I mean empty hands, and you will have to go empty. So it's correct about the time. And I deny completely that money is not important than time. And if you want to go ahead in this topics in depth, so we can say that many opportunity and facility also applying in a less amount of the money in government hospitals. I mean our health situation we can easily afford at the time, and Delhi government also applied at least 5 lakh rupees minimum to equal person, and it's important.
Morning class.
Good morning.
You know that we are playing a debate and I'm a favor of money. You know that money is very important. We know that because without money we can't survive our life. Suppose you have lots of time but you have not money, you can't survive your life, because suppose you have one kind of disease in your body. On that time you have lots of time but on that time you don't have money. So how can that possible? You can make any kind of instructions and some kind of medicines without money. So according to me, money is very
in
important.
favor of time.
Yeah.
So means like I want to say that if we have the time, but if we have money, I don't have the time, means we are about to die and we have the money. Then what's the value of that money? That value of money is automatically decreased because of the time. If we have the enough time, then we can do all the things. Means we are just investing our time here just to get something. We are just learning English. One day we want to be something. We want to do something big. That's why we are just investing time here.
Yeah.
So now he's tell us on when we are die. So on that time, what is the role of money? So as you all know, when we are die, so like some cases are available, like accident case. So on that time we have money. So by the money we can get the treatment and we fit our body also. So that is very important, and money is compulsory for everyone because in this time all people are doing a job. Why? Because they need a money and they purchase anything by the money. So in this time money is very important for everyone, and time also more important, but according to me money is the more important to survive. And in this time lots of people are getting the education. They need education by the money, and that's it.